We'll be dividing a given line AB into the ratio 2, 3, 3. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a line which is longer than the distance for the given line. So we're going to mark 11 centimeters, and this line we use our T-square and pencil to draw the line. You could also use a ruler and a pencil to draw the line AB. So at A, we draw a line, any angle, any length, going south. Then we're going to take our compass, open the compass to any radius. 1 centimeter is a good radius. And we're going to mark 1 arc, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How we got 8? The ratio was 2, 3, 3. So when you add 2, 3, 3, you get 8. So that's how we got the 8 division. So we're going to join 8 to B. Then we're going to circle. This will be 2, then this will be 3. So 2 and 5 on the line going from A to the south will give us the ratio 2, 3, 3. What we're going to do, we're going to use this one set square. We're going to line up the line 8B, and then we're going to put this other set square beneath the first one. And we're going to slide the first set square on the second set square from points 5 and 2. So here, this would be 2 units. This will be 3 units. And this would be another 3 units based on the ratio 2, 3, 3. So this is 2 units, 3 units, and another 3 units. Alright, so we're going to use a T-square now to draw some guidelines so that we can label the drawing. So we're going to draw these lines about 4 millimeters apart so that we can label the drawing as I stated previously. So to divide a line into the ratio 2 colon 3 colon 3. So good job if you follow. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to divide a given line into the ratio 2, 3, 3. In the next video, we will be looking at how to construct a similar triangle to a given triangle but with a different perimeter. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.